Of course, rounding can be done in any place value. So I've added on some decimal numbers. Our decimal point would be right here between the houses of the whole numbers and the fractional side, the decimal side. So let's try one of those. We'll go 9, 1, 6, 9, 4, 7, 4. Let's say we're rounding to the nearest thousandth, which would be 7. The number to the right of the 7, 4, is wimpy. It has no power. So the 7 remains the same. The 4, anything after it, turns into a 0, and everything else gets copied. If we can round this to the nearest unit, or ones column, the unit is the 6. The number to the right of the 6 in the tenths column is a power 9. So that changes the 6 into a 7. Everything else turns into a 0 to the right of the focused area, and to the left of the number, it remains the same. It's just copied down. All right, let's say we're going to round to this big long number. Let's say we're going to round it to the nearest 10. So here we go to the tens column. The number that comes to the right of the tens column is a power 6. So that bumps the 1 to a 2. And everything else gets a 0 afterwards. The 9 is just dropped into position. If the directions said round to the nearest hundredth, we would go to the hundredth column. To the right of the hundredth column is a power 7. The power 7 bumps up this number to a 5. Everything to the right turns into zeros. Everything to the left of the number gets copied. If we were doing rounding to the nearest 100, you would find the hundreds column. 1 is a wimpy number, so it makes the 9 stay a 9, and everything else gets copied. Don't forget your decimal point.